Welcome to the second video in this video series on adaptable buildings. If you missed the first one, check it out and then come back to this video. In this video, we're going to discuss the solution for obsolescence called Design for Adaptability. Stuart Brand, author of the book How Buildings Learn, said that all buildings are predictions. All predictions are wrong. As seen in the previous video, we are almost never correct in a building's final purpose, and it's important to recognize ways that we can avoid obsolescence. To do so, we introduce a strategy known as Design for Adaptability. Design for Adaptability, or DFA, is the intentional design of buildings that can be easily rejuvenated to stay relevant in the face of changing needs and preferences. Essentially, as our society continues to progress, our buildings should be able to adapt and grow as well. Over the past couple of decades, there has been increasing research interest in DFA. Many design guides have been written to provide strategies to practitioners for designing adaptable buildings. One way to summarize all these strategies is Ross's Learning Buildings framework. This framework sees those strategies as enablers of adaptability, and it lays out four main dimensions of these enablers: long life, loose fit, reduced uncertainty, and layer separation. We'll go through each in turn. The dimension long life refers to selecting materials that will extend the lifespan of a building, and over-designing building systems and components. For example, embedding more structural strength or HVAC capacity than is needed for the original purpose. The dimension loose fit focuses on designing buildings with open, unobstructed floor plans, large structural bays, and high floor-to-floor heights to leave space for future changes. Reduced uncertainty. This enables future changes by ensuring that there is adequate information available about the building. This includes keeping up-to-date building plans, designing systems to be accessible, using common, repeated components, and avoiding unnecessary complexity. Layer separation. A building can be envisioned as being made up of layers that all age at different rates and need to be replaced at different rates. This figure shows Brand's concept of layers and their recurrence intervals. In other words, how often they need to be updated. If the layers are all intertwined, like having plumbing cast into a concrete slab, then it will be difficult to update one while leaving the other intact. If they are separated, adaptation of one layer becomes much easier. It is also important that the layers are easily accessible. In this video, we have discussed the overarching categories of adaptable building design strategies. Next up, you'll watch a video about a real-life adaptable building, the Samohi Discovery Building in Santa Monica.